Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. Here I solve LeetCode problems and prepare to the code interview. Today's problem number is 1630 Arithmetic Subarrays. A sequence of numbers is called arithmetic if it consists of at least two elements and the difference between every two consecutive elements is the same. For example, these are arithmetic sequences 1 3 5 7 9 7 7 7 7 and 3 minus 1 minus 5 minus 9. And the following sequence is not arithmetic 1 1 2 5 7. And you are given an array of n integers nums and two arrays of m integers each, L and R, representing the M range queries, where the I query is the range from L of I to R of I. All the arrays are zero indexed. Return a list of Boolean elements answer, where answer of I is true if the subarray can be rearranged to form an arithmetic sequence, and false over otherwise. Let's check restrictions. You can see they have input array from 2 to 500 elements and from 1 to 500 queries. It's not so long, so many items, so uh, we can try to solve it straightforward. Let's do it. What we need to do? First of all, let's get number of queries. To do it, we can get length of R or L. For instance, it be L. Also, we need to define a variable for answer. Let's call it answer, and by default it be empty list, and return it. After we check all queries, get subarray sorted, because every arithmetic subarray is sorted ascending or descending, and check if every two consecutive elements have the same distance between them. So let's do it. To go through all queries, we need to use loop in range from 0 to m, because we have m queries. After it, we can do one small improvement in case of distance between right and left side for this query no longer than 2. In this case, this sub subarray will be arithmetic, because two elements are already arithmetic sequence. So let's check it. So R of I minus L of I plus 1 is the length of subarray if it's less or equal than 2. In this case, add true to answer. Otherwise, let's get subarray. Let's call it sub and get it. It will be a slice from nums started from L of I to R of I plus 1, because in Python slice doesn't include right side. Right. After it, let's sort it. Use method sort. Now we have sorted array, and we need to check if every two subsequent elements have the same distance between them. So first of all, we need to get this distance. Let's call it step, and it will be equal sub of 1 minus sub of 0. So it is the distance between two first elements. And let's check other pairs. To do it, check in the loop from j in range of length of sub, and we will check it from index 2, because first two items we checked before when we get step. And let's check if sub of j minus sub of j minus 1, so its current distance not equals to step. In this case, we need to define some sub result, so it result for this query. By default it's true, and if conditions false, so if current distance not equals to step, in this case sub result will be false, and break the loop. After all checks, we will be get true if all all pairs has the same distance step, otherwise it will be false. And don't forget to add subresult to answer. Answer append subresult. That's it. Let's check tests. So test passed. Let's submit it, and I hope it will be enough to pass all tests, and will be quite effective and not. And let's check it. Yes, and it works, and it's pretty effective. So in some cases we can use and make straightforward solution. That's it for today. Thanks for watching. See you tomorrow. Bye.